is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So, I have a big announcement for you guys. I now have a Roblox, a Con Joey fan group on Discord, and what this is gonna be about is like there's gonna be like different announcements like and different like stuff. Like, for example, there's gonna be one part where you can chat with me and other fans, and there's also a recording voice channel where I will allow my fans to listen to me do the video, but you will have to be on mute to do this, because I wouldn't want you guys to mess up the videos. And there's also merch designs. There's also like merch design channel where I post like different like, how do I explain this? Different like designs that me and my friends make. Well, mostly my friend Dr. Headshot Official. He's in that Discord. He's in that group. He's a fellow YouTuber of mine, and I just got a Discord notification from a bot. So I will put the link in the description to the Discord, and if you guys want to DM me, like saying you're a big fan of mine, I would really appreciate that. And you could also friend me. I'll definitely be checking my friends list, and so yeah, it is gonna be a fun time for you guys. And there's also fan/YouTuber text chat. I won't be talking in that. I won't be talking in that as much, but I will be in like different VCs, and if you want to DM call me, that's fine as well. I'm definitely up for that. I might make a group call. I might make a group call with you guys, with me and some other fellow YouTubers like Ninja Racer, Dr. Headshot Official. Ninja Racer is a cool YouTuber that I like, and he's less popular than me, but I still like that dude. He's cool. And so yeah, if you guys want to DM me or talk in that chat, the text chat, I am perfectly fine with that. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. And also, I will put the link to the Discord in the description. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys!